Hello dear viewers, in this video I want to teach you how to make this beautiful dress completely along with painting on fabric and pattern making and sewing. If you want to learn how to make a beautiful dress like this, then watch this video to the end. In the first step of making this dress, we have to paint on the fabric. To paint on the fabric in the first step, after drawing our design on the fabric, we need to mix white, acrylic paint, acrylic retarder and acrylic medium to paint the base of the painting. We paint our whole design with base color and let it dry completely. After it is completely dry, we paint our design using special fabric colors and blend the colors together. After painting the beautiful butterfly, let it dry completely. After it dries, we mix with black acrylic paint, water, retarder, and medium to draw the patterns on the wings of the butterfly. After drawing the black designs, let it dry and renew it again. When we have painted the two butterflies and it has dried, in the next step we have to attach the jewels to the butterfly using a special fabric glue called E8000. We stick all the jewelry with a special glue and let it dry. The stage of making the butterfly wings is finished, and then we have to make the pattern of the dress. Copy the base template. First, you should measure the distance between the depression under the chest and the shoulder and mark that distance downward and draw that line. After that, you have to make changes in the pattern. You have to create the accordion dart. To get this dart, you have to subtract the size of the chest circumference from the size of the indentation under the chest and divide the result by 4. Divide the obtained result in half and mark both sides of the dart and connect it to the chest and waist dart in a curved shape like in the video. First, pull the sleeve ring a little to the inside and make it smaller. To draw the shoulder strap, you can make it the size you want. Here I made 5 cm of shoulder width. I removed the shoulder on the other side, curved the collar a little so that the chest does not protrude, and connected its continuation to the underarm line. Copy the patterns according to the video and mark the size. We cut the darts and the pattern according to the video. We take the measurements around the width without considering the dart and add them together, back and front. We copy the back pattern and mark the dart and draw a curved line from the armpit to the middle of the back. We also cut the back darts. We draw the pattern of the skirt directly on the fabric. I have in mind the full circle skirt. And to get the waist size of the skirt, you need to double the size of half the waist that you measured before and divide the result by 6 and reduce half a centimeter from the result. Then mark the obtained number, which is approximately 11 or 12 cm for size 38 using method of the video. Then mark the obtained number, which is approximately 11 or 12 cm for the size 38 using the method of this video. To design a circular skirt, you can draw butterfly wings all around the skirt according to your taste. I designed the curved design around the bottom to look like butterfly wings, as you can see in the video. Then cut out the other parts of the pattern with a centimeter of seam allowance. You can also make a belt according to the width of the fabric and the width you want to make the dress more beautiful. From the pattern of the skirt, I cut two pieces that are the same around the width, but only the height and the butterfly shape around the skirt are different. In the first step, we sew the seams and darts. When we have sewn all the part, now we need to connect the breast cup to the inner part of the lining. Now we have to place the seam of the chest piece on the breast cup and iron it according to the video method. Now we turn it over and iron it again. And also iron all the darts. In the next step, we put the back strap into the seam of the shoulder strap and sew it according to the video method. After that, we sew the top seam of the dress aligned with the shoulder and the sleeve ring to the lining. And then we cut the extra part of the corners. You can sew on the seam, sew inside and to the side of the lining. In the next step, connect the back part to the lining and leave the small part that is toward the shoulder strap open and put the strap inside the seam and sew. In the next step, connect the back and front seam as shown in the video, and then sew both seams that you sewed on top of each other again. I slowed down the video for you so that you can better understand this important part. Now turn the seams and sew on it with a small distance or short distance. In the next step, when you turn the dress over, you should iron the seam to make them smooth. Make sure to iron the top seam of the dress well and with a lot of pressure. Sew the edges of the skirt zigzag. In the next step, connect the butterfly wings to the top seam and then connect the skirt to the top. When you attach the skirt to the top, the back seam remains open and you have to sew the hidden zipper to the back of the skirt and top. In the next step, cut and sew the belt. The length and the width of the belt depends on your taste. In the last step, wear the dress and mark the place of the small butterfly and then attach the butterfly to the dress with a small stitch. And now your dream and princess dress is ready. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Please support me by liking and subscribing to make better educational videos for you. Thank you.